Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get transcription jobs where you can earn up to $850 per week and you can work from the comfort of your own home. Now the salary of an online typist is anywhere from $16,000 all the way up to $100,000 per year. I'm going to be showing you several different sites, but make sure you stick around until the end because the last one pays you the most. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first website I wanted to talk to you about is called dailytranscription.com, and this is a website where you can go to get work as a transcriptionist, which would be you're listening to an audio and you're typing what you hear. You can get paid weekly via a check if you're in the US and Canada. If you're outside the US, arrangements can be made. The starting rates are anywhere from 75 cents to 85 cents per audio minute. Top earners make $250 to $950 per week. And it is free to join. So let's go ahead and take a look. When you get to the site here, you're going to click on careers. And then you can see that you can apply as a transcriptionist, subtitler, or captioner. And also, if you're bilingual in Spanish, you can apply to be a transcriptionist as well. And if you scroll down here, you'll take a look at the requirements here. They do require that you have typing skills of at least 50 words per minute. And of course, good listening skills, excellent mastery of the English language, and you have to meet some deadlines as well. So you can just go ahead and read through the requirements. You do need to be 18 years or older for this particular site. And I would recommend that you apply to all these sites because that way you can get work from all of them and be able to make a full-time income from home. It's castingwords.com, and with this one you're going to get paid 8.5 cents to $1 per audio minute, so that's pretty good. Weekly pay via PayPal. Let's look at this one here. They have 10,000 happy customers, a 5-star rating. So with this one, in order to apply, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says freelancers. You'll click there, and then you just go ahead and register, sign up, work, get paid, and again it's through PayPal. GoTranscript.com. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and all of these are legitimate sites. People come here to get things transcribed, but you can also come to these sites to get a job as a transcriptionist. So if we go all the way to the bottom, just right here where it says for transcriptionists, click on work, and then they're going to show you exactly how to sign up. And you just watch that video and click on apply now. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation that allows me to make commissions like this, I'm going to leave a link above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. typeitup.com, and you'll need to take an entrance exam with this one, which costs $39. The pay rate ranges from $30 to $180 per audio hour. So this one pays more. It is worldwide, and they do pay through PayPal, Western Union, or Payoneer. So let's take a look at 1-800-TYPE-IT-UP. What you'll do when you get here is just click on applicant frequently asked questions, and then just click on apply, and that'll take you to a page where you can go ahead and start the application process. And again, you do have to pay, and you have to just go through and answer all these questions here. I do want to mention that when it says it pays you from $30 to $180 per audio hour, that's not you typing. You don't get paid $180 an hour for typing. That's someone speaking for 1 hour, and you are taking that audio and transcribing it into words by typing. And however long that takes you to do that. So let's say the project did pay $180 per audio hour, and it took you 6 hours to type that out. That would be $30 an hour, or 12 hours, that would be $15 an hour. So it just depends on how long it takes you to transcribe that. But still, that's good that they pay you up to that amount for that. So what I wanted to talk to you about next is how you can type faster, because they're going to have a certain minimum requirement. Like, for example, this is actually another transcription site I wanted to mention too, ElisiaTranscription.com. And if you click on transcription jobs, like this one here is an insurance transcriptionist, you can see that the minimum is 75 words per minute. So just like anything else, if you practice, you're going to get better at this. So I don't want you to think, oh, I'm not a good typist, because you can get better at typing. The first site we want to look at to get better at typing is typing.com. And this is completely free. You just go here under students where it says typing test. And it's kind of funny because I won an award in high school for typing. I can't remember what my words per minute were, but it was good, and the accuracy was really good. I took this and I got 38 words per minute. So I would have some work to do here. But you can do like a 1 minute, 3, 5 minute just time typing. So they just give you words and you just type them out. So that is the first way you can practice. This other one's a little bit different. It's called livechatinc.com. You go there, you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it will say, it'll have a free typing test as well, typing speed test. And so you basically just, this is different, you just type it out for a minute or so, and it'll tell you your speed. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention to you is a site called speechnotes.co. And this one, you can go, you click on the microphone here, and then you just speak, and it'll type out your words for you. So you could see if you could listen to the audio, stop it, click on the microphone, and then it's going to type out everything that you say. So this is a really great website that you can use if you want to be able to type faster and get that audio transcribed faster. So I wanted to mention that to you, those 3 sites. And before we get on to the other sites, I wanted to mention that you can make more money as far as writing and typing. If you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about other sites you can make money typing and writing. The first one is called writersaccess.com. So let's go ahead and go over here. And you click on, scroll all the way to the bottom here. And we're going to find freelancers. For freelancers right here. And this one, let's take a look at how much you can get paid. So just like typing, if you practice writing, you're going to get better and better at it. So this here, they say earn the best pay, earn 3 cents to $2 per word. I mean, obviously that has to do with how good you are at writing. Now I've hired some people on Fiverr, and they're from the US. I couldn't believe how poor the writing was. So if you get really good at this, you can get paid really well. I mean, $2 a minute or $2 a word is really good. So if we look at their star rating system here, it's got this little bar that you can see. 2 cents per word would be like a simple project. But if we put this across here, you can see, like, if you can write a blog or an article, because people need content all the time and they need really good content, you could get paid 4 cents a word. So we're looking at, obviously, the better you are, like I said, the more you're going to get paid. So you can just see, you go all the way up to 6-star level, deeper research and things like that. You can get paid some really good money. So if you're good at that kind of thing, that would be a good option for you. Next one is onlinewritingjobs.com. So if we go here, and you can become a freelancer here. So let's take a look at become a writer, and then frequently asked questions. You can go there and just take a look. It doesn't cost anything to join, and of course you work remotely, so this is perfect if you want to work from home. Of course, there's deadlines. Usually, I think you have 2 days to do it. And these projects will pay anywhere from $15 to as much as $50. So that's really good. And the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is textbroker.com. And what you do with this one is you just go to I write content, and you can see here where it says payment. It depends on what your star rating is. So it's anywhere from 7 cents a word all the way up to 5 cents a word. So this is another great option for you if you want to learn how to write and make money typing and writing. It's a really great site, textbroker.com. If you're still here, I can tell you're someone who really wants to change your life. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make money for free from your cell phone. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.